Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will share with you how to remove HTTPS for your website in Hostinger. First, simply log in to your Hostinger account. Now go to Websites, then scroll down to this part of where you will see all of your websites added on this Hostinger account, and click on Dashboard next to your website. Now, from this left side menu, scroll down to Security, click on it, and click on SSL. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder. And also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. This is a list of SSL certificates enabled or activated on your for your websites. Then click on these three dots next to the SSL certificate or the domain name you want to remove as remove the HTTPS for. Click on uninstall. By installing SSL, your domain name will lose secure encryption and will be only accessible through HTTP and not HTTPS. Click on uninstall and wait a moment. As you can see, SSL was uninstalled. And this is how to remove the HTTPS for your website in Hostinger. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.